Hello and welcome to the Escape 2 Adventure video blogging series on YouTube. Together we're going to take you for a journey down the east coast of Australia through the Escape 2 holiday parks.
Yeah, it was really beautiful. The gardens are lovely. There's heaps of grass space to pitch your tent if that's what you want to do. And there's also great amenities. There's a nice swimming pool, huge kitchen area with barbecues.
This is great. This holiday park has a little herb garden and you can help yourself add some spices to your cooking.
It's really quite central. You book any of the tours and they can come pick you up from there.
Now in Cairns there's a heap of stuff to do. We were lucky enough to go on 3 trips.
Went on the reef experience where we went snorkeling and diving on the Great Barrier Reef. Went on the Kuranda Historic Railway and Skyrail. And thirdly we went on the Raging Thunder whitewater rafting.
What was your favourite?
Oh, that's really hard to decide because they're all great. I don't know, snorkeling on the Great Barrier Reef was pretty special.
So if you're in Cairns, check out the Cairns Holiday Park. Rob and Roz are more than happy to help you out. It's a beautiful place and we really enjoyed our stay.